first, let's discuss what is golden ratio. The golden ratio is also known as the golden number, golden proportion, or divine proportion is a ratio between two numbers that is approximately 1.600 spirals formed by the leaves in opposite directions. The numbers often correspond to Fibonacci numbers such as 3, 5, or 8. What is Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each the number is the sum of the two numbers before it. The sequence starts with 0 and 1 and continues with 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. And our example is a flower. 3, 5, or 8, reflecting nature's inherent mathematical efficiency. Additionally, the arrangement of leaves and petals, flowers, the golden angle, ensuring minimal overlap and optimal space distribution. This natural design helps the plant thrive in its environment while showcasing the beauty of mathematical patterns in nature.